If you've ever watched an NBA game and seen people talking about spreads, money lines, over-unders, or odds shifting before tip-off, it can all feel a bit confusing at first. It might even look like a secret language only experienced bettors understand. But once you break it down, the entire system is actually built on a very simple idea: predicting outcomes of basketball games and assigning probabilities to those outcomes. Platforms like DraftKings Sportsbook are essentially digital marketplaces, where people can view those predictions in the form of odds and decide whether they agree or disagree with them. Think of it less like betting on a game in the old school sense and more like evaluating probabilities in real time. The sportsbook sets the lines based on statistics, team performance, injuries, and public betting behaviour, and then users decide whether to take those odds or not. When you open a platform like DraftKings, the first thing you'll notice is that NBA games are listed with different numbers next to them. These numbers represent odds, and they constantly move as new information comes in. For example, if a star player is ruled out due to injury, the odds might shift dramatically because the expected outcome of the game has changed. In simple terms, the sportsbook is always adjusting its predictions to balance both sides of the action. One of the most common things people talk about is the money line. The money line is the simplest concept in NBA betting because it doesn't involve margins or point differences. It is simply about choosing which team will win the game outright. The odds attached to each team tell you how likely the sportsbook believes that outcome is. A heavy favourite will have lower payout odds, while an underdog will have higher potential payouts because the outcome is considered less likely. Another major concept is the point spread. This is where things start to feel more strategic. Instead of just picking a winner, the spread is designed to level the playing field between two teams. A stronger team might be giving points to the weaker team, meaning they need to win by more than a certain number of points for the prediction to be considered correct. On the other side, the underdog can either win outright or lose by fewer points than the spread to be considered successful in that prediction. This system is designed to make both sides of the matchup more balanced in terms of probability. Then there is the over-under, also known as the total. Instead of focusing on which team wins, this is about the total combined score of both teams. The sportsbook sets a number, and the prediction revolves around whether the final score will be higher or lower than that number. This is where people start analysing pace of play, defensive strength, offensive efficiency, and even things like back-to-back games or fatigue factors. What makes NBA betting on platforms like DraftKings interesting is that it is not static. Odds change throughout the day. You might see one line in the morning and a completely different one by game time. This is because sportsbooks are constantly reacting to new data and balancing risk. If too many people are betting on one side, the sportsbook may adjust the odds to encourage action on the other side. But underneath all of this is something very important that often gets overlooked. These systems are not designed to guarantee outcomes. They are designed to reflect probability and manage risk. Even when a team looks like a sure win, basketball is unpredictable. A single injury, a sudden scoring run, or even momentum shifts in the fourth quarter can completely change the outcome of a game. That unpredictability is actually what drives the entire industry. Sportsbooks like DraftKings are not trying to predict basketball perfectly. They are trying to predict human behaviour around basketball. They are balancing what they believe will happen with what the public believes will happen. And a difference between those two is where the system operates. When people talk about betting on NBA games, what they are really doing is making a prediction about future events and attaching financial value to that prediction. But it's important to understand that every prediction carries risk. There is no guaranteed method, strategy, or system that can remove uncertainty from sports. Another thing that experienced users often pay attention to is injuries and lineup changes. NBA teams frequently rest players or adjust rotations, especially during long seasons. These changes can have a major impact on odds because one missing star player can completely shift the expected outcome of a game. That's why odds often move heavily closer to game time when final lineups are confirmed. Public sentiment also plays a big role. If a large number of casual fans all believe one team will win, that can influence the line, even if the statistical matchup is closer than it appears. Sportsbooks take this into account and adjust accordingly. This creates a constant balancing act between data-driven prediction and crowd-driven behaviour. From a user perspective, platforms like DraftKings are designed to be simple to navigate. You see the list of games, you see the available markets, and you see the odds displayed clearly. But behind that simplicity is a complex system of probability modelling, market balancing, and real-time adjustment. It's also important to understand the concept of bankroll management, even at a basic level. Many people misunderstand sports betting as a way to make consistent income, but in reality, it is closer to entertainment with financial risk attached. Responsible users typically set limits for themselves and avoid emotional decision-making based on favourite teams or recent wins and losses. There is also a psychological element involved. NBA games are emotional, fast-paced and highly unpredictable, which makes it easy for people to get caught up in momentum swings. A team can go on a 10-0 run in just a couple of minutes, completely changing the feel of a game. But sportsbooks and odds don't react to emotion. They react to data and probability. Over time, people who study NBA betting markets begin to recognise patterns. They start noticing how lines move, how injuries affect spreads, and how different teams perform in specific situations like home games or back-to-backs. But even with all of that knowledge, uncertainty never fully disappears. That is really the core idea behind platforms like DraftKings Sportsbook. It is not about certainty. It is about probabilities, predictions, and risk management presented in a structured marketplace. So when you see NBA betting discussed online, it's important to understand what's actually happening behind the scenes. It's not just people randomly guessing winners, it's a massive system of statistical modelling, public behaviour tracking, and real-time adjustment built around one of the most unpredictable sports in the world. And if you ever come across content that makes it sound easy or guaranteed, that is usually a sign to be cautious. Because in reality, every game tip-off is a new set of variables, and no model or sportsbook can remove the randomness that makes basketball exciting in the first place. At the end of the day, whether you're watching for entertainment, analysis, or curiosity, understanding how these systems work gives you a clearer picture of what you're actually seeing when odds appear on the screen during an NBA matchup. But once you break it down, the entire system is actually built on a very simple idea.